Hi, Martin here with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can take your AirPods, connect them up to your MacBook Pro for wireless audio. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to go and click on the Apple icon in the top left, and we're going to click on System Settings. From here we're going to click on Bluetooth, and we're going to make sure that the Bluetooth is on. So with both the AirPods in the charging case, you're going to open the lid, and then you're going to press the button on the AirPods case until the light starts to blink a white color. Once you do that, in a moment, we should see the AirPods pop up in our system settings video. Hit connect, and you can now see that my AirPods are connected, and it's showing me how much charge is in my case and then how much charge each AirPod has as well. Now, you should only need to do this once. So now that they're hooked up, each time I come back to my MacBook, I should just be able to connect up my AirPods. Now, if you haven't connected your AirPods to anything else, so say you haven't connected them to your phone or anything, you should be able to come back, pop your AirPods in, and it will stay connected. If you have connected them up to your iPhone or another device since, you may need to quickly reconnect them. The quickest way to do that is probably go to up here to Control Center. In Bluetooth, what we're going to do is click on that little arrow, and then from there what you'll see is your AirPods option. You can click on that and then connect them up from there. So there you have it. Very quick, very easy way to connect up your AirPods and get that wireless audio with your Mac. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give it a like, comment below, and subscribe for more. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.